Hello friends, welcome back. So friends, in this video I'll be teaching you how to solve the second step of the Megaminx. So my previous video was about the step 1. If you haven't watched that, please do watch it. The link to the playlist is in the description. So okay friends, let's get started with the second step. So friends, our second step is like we'll have to make 5 V's in these positions. So let's see how to make it. We'll have to make V shapes using one corner piece and two edge pieces of the respective color. So like you'll have to form a V shape here in which peach, red and green, using peach, red and green corner piece and peach and red corner edge piece and peach and green edge piece. So I'll have to use these two colors edge piece and three colors corner piece and edge pieces to make a V shape. So we'll have to make V shapes in places like here, here, here. So when you hold the white side to the bottom, the three pieces, that is this one and this one, that are like to the bottom. So this one is to the bottom, so these three pieces are the first three pieces that are to the bottom, and even these three. So here you'll have to insert orange, purple and yellow corner piece and then the respective edge pieces. And even here you'll have to insert make a V shape here, so you'll have to insert light green, yellow and dark blue corner piece and edge pieces. So the same way here also pink, red and blue corner piece and pink and yellow edge piece and pink and red edge piece. So I'll have to do this. This is the second step. So let's get started with the pink, blue and red. So when you hold the white side to the bottom, and now here is the position where we'll have to make the V shape. So pink, blue and red. So we'll have to make a V shape here. So let's look for it. Pink, blue and red corner piece. Here it is. So pink, red and blue corner pieces here. So take the pink side and match it to the pink center, and now just get it and match it to the other two colors. After doing that, you'll have to insert the edge pieces. So pink and blue edge piece. So let's look for it. Pink and blue edge piece. It's here. So take the pink and match it to the pink side. So here it is, I matched it to the pink side, and now when you get this to match it like this, you can see that the corner piece is getting shuffled. So get the corner piece back to its position, and now here you will have to get this to a safer position, this corner piece. So when you get it down like this, in this way, you can easily get this here and match it with the blue and blue center, and now take it up. So I can see that one corner piece and one edge piece is successfully paired. You will have to insert another another edge piece here, that is pink and red. So let's see how to insert it. Let's look for it, the pink and red one edge piece. So it's here. So take the pink and match it to the pink center, and now this has to be inserted here. So now we'll have to take these two together to a safer position to get this here. So you can just get this down. Now if as you can see, if I get only this to a safer position like this, these two are getting shuffled. So you'll have to get these two together to a safer position. So to do that, you'll have to get this in this way, so that both together comes down. And now you'll have to get this pink and red to its position and then take it up. So you can see that when we keep the white side to the bottom, our first V that is successfully made. So let's see how to do the second one. So friends, our second V will be formed in this position. I'm saying that it will be formed in this position because when you hold the white side to the bottom, these three are the pieces that are at the bottom, and these three are the first pieces that are to the bottom, facing at the bottom. And I'll have to insert the corner piece, that is peach, red and green. So it's already inserted coincidentally. And now we'll have to insert the peach and red edge piece. So let's see how to do that. So first let's look for it. It is here. So just match the peach with its peach color center, and after that you'll have to insert this here. So but I would like to tell you an important thing here, that is when you're inserting the edge pieces of the second V, third V, fourth V and the fifth V, you will have to take the previously matched V. Like when you like your now we are inserting the second V. So when I'm doing the second V, you'll have to when I'm inserting the edge pieces of the second V, you'll have to just navigate to this previously made V, just move it towards the left once, and now then continue making the edge pieces of the second V. And then after making the edge pieces, you'll have to get this back to its position. So first let's make the second V. So we'll have to insert this here. So take this to a safer position and get this and match it at the center and take it up. Now another one, that is the peach and green. So let's look for it. Here it is, peach is already matched with peach, and now this will have to be inserted here. So take this to a safer position and move it twice or thrice, it depends upon the piece where it is aligned on your cube, and now just take it up. So you can see a second V is successfully done, and now just navigate to the previous one and then make it proper. So that's it friends, our two V's are successfully formed, and now let's make the third V. And now while making the third V, you will have to move the second V to the left. So first let's insert the corner. Okay, so before inserting the corner, let's move it once to the left. As I told you, now we are making the third one. So previously made was peach, red and green V. So just move it towards the left once. And now let's make this blue, green and purple is the third V. So let's look for it. Light blue, green and purple. Light blue, green and purple. Let's look for the corner piece. It is just a minute. It is here. So light blue, purple and green is here. So this corner piece. So here you'll have to get this match this blue with the blue centerpiece, and now make sure that is this previously made V is to the left, and start making the V of the third one. So now this has to be inserted here. Just get it like this and match it, and now you'll have to insert the light blue and green edge piece. So let's see how to do it. So light blue and green edge light blue and green edge piece, let's look for it. Where it is? Here it is. So take the light blue and match it with the light blue, and now this has to be taken to a safer position. Follow the same procedure that we did for the previous V's, and now take it up. So now we'll have to insert the light blue and purple. Let's look for it. Here it is. So now we'll have to get this purple a blue to the blue side, and now we'll have to insert this here. And now, as I told you, while you are inserting the edge pieces that are while you are inserting the second edge piece, after inserting the first edge piece, you are inserting the second edge piece. So at this position you'll have to take the both corner piece and one edge piece together to a safer position, and now just move it and match it. And our third V is also successfully done. So the previously made V which we took to the left, you can bring it back to its position. So our first V, second V and third V is successfully done. Now we'll have to make the fourth and fifth. Let's see how to do it. So friends, after we made the three V's, that is here, here and here. So these are the three V's that we made, and now we'll have to make the fourth V. So to make that, we'll have to find the orange, purple and yellow corner piece. So it is here. So take the orange and match it the orange center, and now just get it here and match it with the other two colors. And after this step, make sure that you take the previously made V to the left. And after this, now we can start inserting the edge pieces. So we'll insert the orange and purple first. Orange and purple is here. So take the orange and purple. And now I've bought it here. So now I'll have to insert this here. So take this to a safer position and move it twice or thrice. It depends upon the piece where it is on your cube. And now just match it. That's it. And now we'll have to insert the other one, that is orange and yellow. Let's look for it. Orange and yellow. It is here. So take the orange and match it with the orange. And after matching it, you'll have to insert this here. So now you'll have to take these two colors together. As I told you, while inserting the second edge piece of a particular V, you'll have to get the previously matched edge piece of a V and the corner piece both together to a safer position, and then get it and match it. So we have made the fourth V, and now navigate to the third V and then get it back to its position. So our four V's are successfully done. The last one is left out, which we will be doing it now. So here we'll have to make it. So you can see that first one, second one, third one and even the fourth one is done, and now we'll have to make the fifth one. So friends, now it's our fifth V that has to be made, and now while making the fifth V, you'll have to be very careful that the V that we made first should be taken to the right, and then the previously made V, that is this one, should be taken to the left. And after doing these two moves, you'll have to start the fifth V. So what's the corner piece that we'll have to insert? It is light green, yellow and dark blue. So it is here. So take the light green and match with the light green. And now after doing this, take it and match it with its other two colors. And now we'll have to insert the light green and yellow, which is here. So just take it to a safer position, get it here and match it. And now the last one, which is light green and then the blue one. So light green and blue is here. So now just get it to the top, separate it, and now you'll have to make sure that this V is pushed away back to the safer position. As I told you, you'll have to move it to the left, and I have moved it to the left. And now it is our dark blue and green. So take the green and match it with the green. And just a minute, yeah, match it with the green. As you can see, I matched it with the green, and now this has to be inserted here. So you'll have to take these two together to a safer position. And now get this here and match it. And after making the fifth V, you can get the first V back to its position and even the fourth V back to its position. So you can see that our 5 V's are successfully done. First one, second one, third one, fourth one, and the fifth one. So we have successfully completed the second step. In the second step, we'll have to do another step. Let's see how to do it. So friends, the other step that has to be done is, after making the V's, you'll have to just keep the gray color to the bottom. And after keeping the gray color to the bottom, you can see that there are some corner pieces that are not inserted. So you can see that the white is completely done, and even the purple is about to be done completely. So here is the piece missing of the purple color, and here also the yellow color piece is missing, here also blue color piece is missing, and even the red color and green color. So in these places you'll have to insert the respective colors corner piece. So this is going to be the other step in our second step. So first let's insert the green. So here it is green, light blue and peach. So I'll have to insert that type of corner piece. So green, peach and blue. So it is stuck in between here. So just get it down, separate it and take this back to its position. And now get this where it has to be inserted. It has to be inserted here. So I've got it straight where it has to be inserted and kept it to the right. And now, as you remember, we were applying an algorithm that is R prime, D prime, RD. So we'll have to apply this here, R prime, D prime, RD. So it is successfully inserted. So now one of the color is done. So now we'll have to insert the red. So it is red, peach and pink. So let's look for the red, peach and pink color, a corner piece. So it is here only, coincidentally it is already in its position. And now keep it to the right, and now apply the algorithm R prime, D prime, RD. Till it matches, we'll have to do it. R prime, D prime, RD, R prime, D prime, RD, R prime, D prime, RD, R prime, D prime, RD. So even our red is done. Now it's blue. So blue, pink and green. So you can see that the corner piece is in its correct position, but it's flipped. So this blue should come up. If I just twist it like this, it would be matched. So it is in that case. So you'll have to just hold the cube like this, and now keep this to the right, and now apply this algorithm R prime, D prime, RD, R prime, D prime, RD, R prime, D prime, RD, R prime, D prime, RD. So this was in a flipped manner. So if you just apply the R prime, D prime, RD algorithm, it will get matched. So friends, the same way you'll have to do for the other remaining corner pieces. So after doing that, so the side colors that are near to the white color are solved. So now after solving this, the corner pieces that were inserted at the last to solve this phase. So this was the corner piece that we inserted. So right below it, you can see that here are edge pieces. So here is one edge piece straight where we have inserted the corner piece, and this is the other corner piece that we inserted. So straight below, if you see that there is a edge piece here also. So you'll have to insert here, you'll have to insert light green and orange edge piece here, and even here purple when you come straight down where the purple corner piece where we inserted, here orange and blue edge piece should be inserted. The same way here also one edge piece should be inserted here also. So this was the piece that we inserted previously. So just if you come down, you can see that here there's an edge piece that has to be inserted. So in these positions we'll have to insert the edge pieces. So after we insert them, our second step is successfully done. So let's see how to do that. So first let's start with the pink and light green. Pink and light green is stuck in between here. So to get this out, we'll have to choose any color, any edge piece of any color. So I will take this, and now this you will have to insert it here. So this is when you are going to insert it here. This is to the right. So take this to the left. You will have to be opposite. You'll have to move it opposite, and now get this down. and get this piece that we moved to the left to back to its position, and now take these two blocks of red up, and now after this you'll have to insert this here, but not applying the if you want to insert this, you will obviously apply the r prime t prime rd algorithm, but in this while inserting the h pieces you should not apply the r prime d prime rd algorithm. If you apply that, the cube will get shuffled, these two pieces will get shuffled. So now what you can do here is you'll have to look to which the red color is facing. The red color is facing towards this side, so move it this side, and now get this layer down, match it and take it up. So I can see that the piece that was here was the yellow and orange. So the yellow and orange it was the piece which was here was green and pink. So the green and pink has come out. Here it is. So this you'll have to insert it here. So when you are going to insert this here, this is towards the left, so take this to the right, to the opposite, and now get this down and get this H piece back to its position and take these two blocks of red up, and now you can see that these two got paired, and now this blue, it is facing to the left, so take it to the left, and now get this down and match it and take it up. So H piece is successfully inserted, and now here you will have to insert the green and orange. So let's see where it is, green and orange. So green and orange is stuck in between here, so you'll have to separate it. To separate it, let's insert the any H piece here. So any color, I will insert this one. So as I told you, you'll have to insert this here. So this is to the right, take it to the left, get it down, get this back to its position, take these two blocks up, and now this red is facing to the right. So take this to the right, get this down, now match it and take it up. So you can see that orange and green has come out, and now this has to be inserted here, that is to the right. So take this to the left, get it down, match it and take this two blocks up, and after that it's facing the yellow is facing to the right, so take it to the right, get this down, match it and take it up. So that's it. It was very easy. So you'll have to insert other three of the H pieces you'll have to insert. So it's orange and blue, it's here, so take the blue and match it with the blue center, and now this has to be inserted to the left, so take it to the opposite. The same procedure you'll have to perform that you did for the previous ones. So it is very easy. So another last one that has to be inserted, it is blue and peach. So you can see that I've inserted all the H pieces and I've successfully solved the second step. So I've successfully solved the second step. So now this is the third step that has to be solved, which I'll be teaching all in the next video. So this is the last step and going to be the part 3 video. Please do watch that also, which will be maybe like it would be uploaded on next Sunday. So friends, we have successfully completed the second step, so I'm going to end this video right here. So if you like this video, please like it, share it and also subscribe my channel if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell icon and select all notification from it to receive the notification of my video that I upload in future. So okay friends, bye bye, thanks for watching.